Hi, it's Phil Kerner, the Tool and Die Guy, with this handheld video tonight. Listen, now we got something kind of cool here. You can tell it's old, right? See, Pratt & Whitney Machine Tool Division, your P&W distributor, John August Company, in Erie, PA now, that is known as the August Industrial Supply Company. They've been around for a long time. I love that it says Tool and Die Supplies. You don't see that too often anymore. And I love the phone number, which really gives it away. GL67508. Now, back in the mid-60s, when I was either in kindergarten or first grade, I think it was kindergarten, they made us learn our phone number, right? ABCs, tie your shoes, and your phone number. And I believe my phone number is TW96349. So I don't know why they started with letters back then, but the real treat is what's on the other side. Are you ready for this? Are you sure? The world's coolest decimal equivalent chart. This is called lenticular printing, by the way. And what we've got here is our fractions, in case you didn't know. And if we slightly turn it, we get our decimal equivalents carried out to 5 places as needed. So there you have it. Do you have one of these? See, you probably don't. And that's what makes me the Tool and Die Guy. Only kidding. So there's a piece of vintage history. Lenticular printing. They used to put a lot of stuff like this in our cereal boxes, believe it or not, back in the day. Besides getting stoned on sugar, we had see pictures of Superman, Spider-Man, and if you slightly move the card a little bit, he was flying, he was standing, he was flying, he was standing. But anyways, you get the gist. So, love stuff like this. Hope you enjoyed that. I'm Phil Kerner, the Tool and Die Guy, and we'll see you on the next video.